Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x12 diecast model of Royal Enfield Classic 500. So I'm also going to do a giveaway of one of these. I will let you know more about that at the end of the video, and you can also buy these models at hobbytoys.co for 1200 rupees plus shipping 60 rupees, but you can get free shipping on orders above 500 rupees if you use this discount code. I'll put both the discount code and the buy link in the description. So if you're not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay guys, so as I said, I'm also going to do a giveaway of one of these models, so you can participate in the giveaway. Then the rules are: subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Second, follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. And third, comment done on this video. So hope you've enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.